Runtop is a comprehensive international trade enterprise integrating R&D, research and development, production and sales. The company mainly focuses on food machinery, and has a team of higher education engineers engaged in electrical automation, mechanical engineering, machining to ensure high quality, high efficiency and high automation of our products. Runtop will provide fast, accurate and professional after-sales service to our main markets are Southeast Asia, South America, Western Europe and Africa. Our products have been exported to nearly 60 countries and has got high reputation from all buyers. Runtop, adhering to the service tenet of integrity, innovation, harmony and win-win, we will customize machines according to customers' request, and make a layout designed for customers to make budget before purchasing, and will supply overseas installation if custom our need. The guarantee of our products are all 12 months from the receiving date by customers. We always provide high-quality products and perfect after-sales services, so that employees can display their talents, and create value for customers and society. Runtop is running to the top forever.